Yes, it's Monday morning. Here we are again. Here's Sean. There is the trailer. Alright. So Sean, what's going on today, matey?
We're off to the other side of Sweden.
Alright, we are going down south. Alright, pick up a motor. So yeah, we will inform you later. $39, so it's your side.
42.
It says 39 there, now it's 44.
Huh?
It says 44 on that house. Could be behind there, look. Right, here we are, out in the countryside. There's Sean. There is the car and the trailer. And yeah, what we got today then, Sean?
Yeah, we got something a bit special. We got that thing called the sun shining on the east coast of Sweden.
No, we haven't seen that much this year, have we?
I can't remember last time. Whiter than the snow. All right, come with me and have a look.
All right.
We have a little bit of a special car in here.
Right, it's a bit dark in there, so I'm going to stay here.
Yeah.
And you can let us know what's going on. All right.
We'll roll it out in a minute.
Yeah.
This is a
Right.
Opel GT 1900 from 1970.
Nice.
They were very popular in Germany. I don't think they sold them in the UK. In Sweden, they sold a few hundred.
Right.
And it's lightweight. We call it the mini Corvette.
That's right. Yeah.
So what we'll do now is we'll roll it out and get in the daylight and have a look.
Excellent. I mean, they call it mini Corvette because of all the lines as well, don't they?
Yeah, I mean, you can see it at the front as well. You'll see it better in the daylight.
Right. Let's get it outside then, shall we?
Yep.
I think that's what's doing it.
Nu pratar jag startar jag.
Ja, det är det enkla.
Ja, visst.
Finns ju de också. Det är så långt.
Om det finns en gamla kit och gamla besiktningsprotokoll på
Ja,
det.
det finns lite grejer.
Lite grejer.
Det var inte så jättemycket.
Nej,
Vi
men-
plockade ut det.
Allt är bättre än inget.
Ja, men det finns en bruk.
När ni
Ja,
köper
hon kan ju
bil.
inte gå i den längre. Hon kan ju knappt. Eller hon har svårt att gå längre.
Men det är inte så enkelt om du är 50.
Pappa körde ju den länge.
Okay then, Sean, we're back at the depot now with the Opel.
Yep.
So yeah, Opel GT. What's the story on this car?
It's 1.9 4-cylinder,
Yeah.
and like I said before, they call it the Corvette. You can see the front is like Corvette style. These lights roll over. We have a small problem. That one is stuck at the moment, so we need to do a few maintenance fixes on this.
Right.
But the lights roll over, so then they see like covers at the back.
Kind of like a Porsche.
Yeah, just roll over like so.
Right.
Yeah, really unique little design.
Is
Very,
it-
very nice car overall. Good paintwork, nice interior. Doesn't show any signs of rust at the moment. We haven't gone in so far, but obviously we need to do so with the cleaning the electric system and just check the carburetors
And the fuel.
Yeah, it's
And all that stuff.
Old fuel. So we won't do much with it until we get it sort of start-up service.
I mean, it's a nice colour and it's in
It's a-
good condition.
It's a traditional 70s, you know, golds and browns and stuff like that. But it's been repainted, I guess, 20, 30 years ago.
Right.
So it's still in a respectable condition.
Yeah. So we dragged this one out of the barn today. What's this? Where's this one going?
It's going on the auction 10th of April.
10th of April. All right.
Yep.
So yeah, we've got a few weeks till this one goes up. What do you expect? Do you think it's going to be a popular car?
Yeah. I mean, these cars are selling for around 15,000 euros, 150,000 Swedish crowns,
Right.
thereabouts. Can be a bit more, you never know in an auction, but I mean, it's a fun little summer car, lightweight, easy to drive, and
Right.
quick for that time.
We've only had one of these come through in the last 2 years, haven't we?
Yeah.
So yeah, anybody that was bidding on that one is another opportunity to get one.
Yeah.
I think this one's in better condition than the one we had the last time, actually.
This is like, you know, at least it's kept the original colour. The other one was painted from red to white or something. So
Yeah.
this has got a really nice interior, and it's not, you know, not dented, not damaged in any way. So yeah,
Right.
a good bit of a service and a bit of a clean and a polish. And
Yeah.
Bob's
Bob's.
your
Right, 10th of April, Opel GT up for grabs.
We can have a look at it. We can have a drive in it when it's been fixed.
So I hope you really enjoyed the show. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did.
and we'll see you all again next week for some more Cars of Sweden live.